Okay, this is my first ever in the world unboxing, and this is a Leica. I ordered the Q2 Monochrom, black and white digital. All it does is black and white. No color filters on this baby. Look at the packaging. That's probably why it's so expensive. Whoop. Amazing. Oh my God, look at that. Got like little drawers in here. Oh, these are like the lens hood, the wires. This is cool. Battery charger. It's like a little dresser. This is so cool. And skinnier drawer. Wow. Look at that. All the paperwork's. Holy mackerel. For what they charge for these, they should have good packaging. That is awesome. And then up here, we'll move this beast away. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, Leica Q2 Monochrom. Oh my goodness. This camera I've wanted for years and years and years. Oh my goodness, look at that sweetie. Leica camera, join me. This is amazing. Can't wait to get out there and do it. Like I said, it is monochrome. It's specially designed for black and white only. So the sensors in here don't have any color filters. So everything is black and white. And look at that lens. 1.7. It also has macro right here. That's a beaut. Well, so much for my very first unboxing. Laters, I'll be posting photos.